Welcome to our lesson, which is a continuation on absolute error, where in our previous lesson we looked at how we can calculate absolute error when only one measure is given. How we can calculate absolute error when only one measure is given. So in our previous example, we've looked at a situation where the measure given is written to to a whole number. We looked at a situation where the given measure is written as a whole number. Now I want us to move to a situation where the given measure is written in decimals. So say, for example, okay, number one, given that the length of a rod, given that the length of a rod, okay, given that the length of a rod is 5.25 centimeters, comma, find the lowest possible length. Find the lowest possible length. I'll read through. Given that the length of a rod is 5.25 centimeters, find the lowest possible length. So remember in the previous lesson I said, when you are asked to find the lowest possible length, it's just the same as being asked to find the lower limit. When you are asked to find the lowest possible length, it's just the same as being asked to find the lower limit. Now, there's no way you can find the lower limit if you don't find the absolute error. You can't find the lower limit without finding absolute error. So we're going to find the absolute error first. So say solution. So we're going to say absolute error is equals to n over 2. Absolute error is equals to n over 2. Because the given measure, we've just been given one measure, which is the true measure. So in this case, since the measure given has two decimal places, therefore our n will be equals to 1 over 100, which is just the same as n. 100 into 1 is 0, and the point, we put a 0 there. Okay, then we're going to say 100 into 10, it can't, 0, another 0 there. The 100 into 100 is 1. So our n is 0.01. So we're going to say that we continue absolute error is equals to 0.01 over 2. Then we say times 100 times 100. Why are we saying times 100? It is because we want to get rid of the decimals. We want to get rid of the decimals. So we've got two decimal places, hence multiplying with 100. So what you do here, you also do there. So we're going to say absolute error is equals to. Now, for this one, you cancel 1 0, you move the decimal point. You cancel the second, you move it there. So you're going to remain with 1 on top over 200. So our absolute error is 1 over 200, which we can also express in decimals. We're going to say our absolute error is equals to 1 into 200. It can't, so we put a 0 there, and the decimal point, we put a 0 there. That is 200 into 1. Then 200 into 10, 200 into 10, it can't, we put a 0 there, another 0 there. 200 into 100, it can't, we put a 0, another 0 there. Then 200 into 1000, that is 5. So our absolute error is equals to 0.005 centimeters. Our absolute error is equals to 0.005 centimeters. Now, after finding the absolute error, we have to proceed and find the the lower limit, because in our question we are being asked to find the lowest possible length. Okay, so I will erase this side so that we solve and find the lower limit now, which is the lowest possible length. Now we are going to say that lower limit, which we been asked to find, will be equals to, we are going to add the absolute error plus the true measure, so we're going to say 5.25 plus 0.005. What we're going to get here is our absolute error. So put a 0 there. We say 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 5, we're going to get 5. 2 plus 0, we're going to get 2. Bring down the point there, the 0 plus 5, we're going to get 5. Oh, sorry. I don't know why I keep on forgetting here. We are finding the lower limit and not the upper limit. What we have done here, this is for the upper limit and not the lower limit. We are supposed to subtract for us to find the lower limit. So I'm sure you're able to observe that simple mistakes. We do make mistakes, but it's important to identify that I think here I've gone wrong and you correct those mistakes. If it was in an exam, you make such a mistake, you don't identify that there is a mistake, then you fail like that. So we are going to subtract instead of adding. So 0 minus 5, which can't. Get a 1, boy a 1 from 5, you remain with 4 there. So 10 minus 5, you have 5. Here you remain with 4. 4 minus 0, you remain with 4. Then 2 minus 0, you remain with a 2. 5 minus 0, you have 5 there. So we're going to say that our lower limit is equal to 5.245 centimeters. So that is how we find the lower limit and also the absolute error when you have only been given one measure, which is the true measure, which has been written to 2 decimal places. Thank you so very much for watching. You can hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube video. Thank you.